Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the speed test between Honor 10 and Asus Zenfone 5Z. So both these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and as you can see there are no apps running in the background. So let's start the test.
So it feels like everything around you is broken.
The Asus Zenfone 5Z just finished the test and it completed the test in 1 minute 25 seconds, and Honor 10 is playing catch up.
We might not be able to fix it.
So now the Honor 10 is done and it finished the test in 2 minutes 13 seconds. And now let's see if both the phones have all the apps in the memory. As you can see, both the phones held all the apps in the memory, so memory management is excellent on both these phones. So to conclude, this was a result that I was expecting when I started the test, because the Zenfone 5Z's interface is lighter when compared to Honor 10's Emotion UI. I'll also be making a comparison between both these phones, which will be a very interesting video. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.